there's a peach right there.
What?
Hey guys, it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So we are here at Target right now because Crafty Swaggy Shay on YouTube commented on a video telling us that there are new Gudetama Squishies here. So let's just go in and see.
Yep, we're gonna go and see if they have it.
So I think she said they were in like the card section, like the Pokemon cards.
Oh yeah, okay. So let's go see. Oh, look at. Why are we beeping?
Or next to that desk.
Why are we beeping?
I'm gonna.
Okay, Valentine's things.
Yep, a lot of Valentine stuff.
I wonder if they have slime. I wonder if they have new Valentine slime.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these squishy toys. Look at that.
Ooh, unicorn.
Are they squishy light up? Like they're like squeeze toys.
I don't feel any like light up in units.
Oh. It says
Oh,
light
it is.
up.
Oh, it is.
There you go. That's cute.
Oh, nice. And spiky.
Here's the pizza. What is the pizza? Oh, it says note. A
Oh, it's a
notepad.
notepad.
There's some more. Ooh, what's this?
Ooh.
Dough. Is that dough?
And
Sand? Play sand favors. They're like party favors. That's sand. And what about this one? So this is slime right here.
oh,
They do have slime, but it's not Valentine's. But
I don't know
it's
if
new
it's-
slime. It's $1.
ooh, for 4?
Yeah, it's look, it's $1.
Ooh.
So oh look, they have this too.
Oh, look
Look at that, guys. That's
So they have
$1.
Slime.
That's like a Valentine one. That's cool.
So this is like a glow, and this is. Oh, that's cool.
These are the glitter. So you want to get those? Okay. Oh, and look, they have, what is this,
What?
like foam?
Oh my.
You're
You're
a llama fun. Look at these, guys. So,
Nice.
oh, these are the Valentine too.
Oh.
See, I am wild about you. They're like Valentine's cards that has foam inside. That's cool.
But I don't know if it's crunchy foam.
But it's $1. It comes with a card. That's pretty cool.
Oh, it's a mini mailbox. There it is over there.
This is the card section that you were talking about. Let's see if we can find it. You found one? Let's see.
Gudetama, the lazy egg. It's so soft.
That's cool. Where'd you find it at?
I found it down here, but I don't know.
Oh, it's just by itself?
Oh, here it is, here it is.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Oh, this one's so cute.
There's so much Gudetamas.
Oh, so cute. And what else do they have?
Squish me.
So these actually are pretty spendy. They're
Oh.
$5.99
Wait,
because it's brand.
are you sure?
Oh wait, maybe not. Never mind. That says card trading.
But this one is really soft.
Oh, that one's so cute. This is like the
Oh, look
original.
at this one.
Oh, the lazy egg. He's just
Gudetama.
hanging out in his egg.
Wait, is this one? Oh, this one's different.
That one's looking sideways.
So here are all the different ones.
Oh. Let's see. These are all of the different ones you can get.
I want to get that one.
Sleeping one. And there's one that has like an eggshell on his head.
Oh.
Cute.
Oh, here it is.
The eggshell.
Yeah, the one on his head.
Whoa.
There's so many of them.
Any ones?
One of them.
Any ones that we haven't seen? Oh, here's the one you wanted.
Oh,
Is
yeah.
that the one you wanted?
Oh, I don't know.
The sleeping one?
Oh, yeah, this one.
Is that one?
This one's not sleeping, but oh.
Is that, do they have two of him? Like two different ones that of him laying? Oh, yeah. So squishy. Yeah, they're very, very slow rising. I don't know how much they are, so we'll go scan them and see how much they are. Look over here. How many?
There's a strawberry squishy.
Wow. I haven't seen a strawberry one in a while.
Amazing squishies.
Yay, amazing squishies.
What did
I think we saw the amazing squishies at Walmart. Or Toys R Us and Walmart, right? When we were looking at for the metallic, they had like they had this brand.
Here's the soft and slow.
So, did you find this here?
Yeah.
It's like the only one left. That was the strawberry. Oh, do you still have your Gudetama Squishies?
Yeah.
Okay, where is it? Okay, let's go see how much this one is. There's no price, and we're gonna see how much the Gudetama Squishies. And then we'll find out if they have any more squishies back here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at how much the squishies are. So I'm scanning the Gudetama one. There we go. So they are $5.99. Even though it said trading cards, but I guess it's in the same section. So they are kind of spendy. And then there's this one, the strawberry. And it's $8. I don't know about that.
What?
But $8, I think you can get it cheap online. And you have a lot of the strawberries, so we're gonna pass on the strawberry. Okay. Oh, you want to put it back? Oh, there's a peach right there. I told you. That's funny. It was just sitting right there.
This peach smells good.
So I guess they have strawberry, they have peach. I don't know what else. Oh, here. They have the cake, they have the ice cream.
Which we saw at...
Yep, and they have a cupcake
I haven't seen that
too.
one.
So those are the ones we have not seen. Well, we've seen the ice cream, we've seen the cake slice.
But this one's super very slow.
Oh yeah.
This one's very
That's
slow.
$8. I'm pretty sure you can order it cheaper online. But if you can't order online, you can get it locally at a Target.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I will show you guys this slime in like another separate video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to do in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, it's Gudetama. Welcome back to my channel. So today we found these human squishies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!